Hi, I'm Marie and this is my striped rose watercolour tutorial. This is a quick outline of my full step-by-step tutorial where I break down all of the methods and techniques that I use to paint this rose that has so much going on each individual petal. It can look overwhelming to begin with, but when you break down each area into small steps, it becomes so much easier, and anyone would be able to follow the steps that I take to build up these complex surfaces on the petals. I employ various techniques such as wet into wet to create the underlying colour on the petals, picking out the shapes of the areas of colour as I go, and blending their edges into the lighter background where I need to. And I continue to build up these surfaces by adding further layers to really enhance the depth of colour in places, always making sure to save the white of the paper for the highlighted area, which is what gives the surface its curved appearance. And as I go along, I add in the detail and markings that I can see on each petal. This really adds to the drama and the interest of the flower. I also add further layers to darken certain areas, for example where there are shadows cast by the overhanging petals. This really adds depth to the painting. And then I continue to work my way around the painting, slowly building up each petal and area in this way, using the different techniques that will create the desired effect. If you would like to take the 3-hour step-by-step tutorial, you can do this by joining the Watercolor Members Club. The link is below. We also have a free tutorial if you'd like to give that a go first. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more upcoming tips and techniques to help improve your watercolor painting. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.